You have a locked Samsung A55 with Android 15, and after a factory reset, it's asking for your Google account info. Don't look for solutions on YouTube or websites. They're full of scams and fake advice. The only thing that can really help is DeepSeek, because other services like ChatGPT are not allowed to help with this. Just type into DeepSeek, Samsung A55 FRP bypass Android 16, and it will give you several working methods. I tested them on my own phone. Choose the method that works best for you and ask DeepSeek again. It will guide you step by step and provide links if needed. If something isn't clear or doesn't work, just send it a photo and you'll get an instant solution. I'm not showing how to do it myself because I don't want you to waste time. Samsung keeps closing loopholes, and what works today might not work tomorrow. DeepSeek knows which methods are actually working right now. Thanks for watching. Good luck.